Okay, I got my ponytail on. I'm ready to go.
Darcei!
Well, look who it is. Look who it is, it's Darcei. What's she doing here? I haven't made a full-length feature film YouTube video in like 80 years. Do I look older? Because I feel older. Sorry I've been gone so long, but I brought you something. Hold on, wait a second. Look at that, it sloshes around. There's something in there. Looks kind of sexual. I'm gonna stop doing that. But wait, there's more. There's more. It's not just the cool lid. There's stuff inside. Okay, this is what the collection looks like. I love the whole like aerodynamic theme. There's a lot of people that don't like it, but I like it. The collection comes with quite a few things. We've got 3 eyeshadow palettes at the bottom here. We've also got 3 blushes, a lash serum, a face mist, 3 shimmery eyeshadows, a lip gloss, I think, and an under eye primer. We're gonna try all these today. It's gonna be super fun. Why does my face look like that? Darcei, that's terrifying. Dial it down a little. We're gonna try these today. It's gonna be really fun. As of now, R.E.M Beauty does not have any complexion products. So I am gonna go put on my foundation, concealer, whatever they don't have, and then we're gonna get into the review. Let's put on the new NARS foundation. I'm obsessed with this foundation, by the way. This is the light reflecting foundation from NARS. Shake well. Listen to that. On a little bit of foundation. Wait, where's my mirror? Mirror? I think I might have left him outside. Oh no. I left the poor guy outside to die. Oh my god, is that a pimple? No, it's just a crumb. Okay, so I have a confession to make, guys. I've been cheating. I have already tried this collection. Not all of it. Some of it's gonna be a surprise today. But I couldn't help myself. I couldn't wait to film this video. I've already tried some of the things on here, and you would know if you followed me on TikTok.
Not a TikTok promo! We hate TikTok!
I pretty much do everything on TikTok first now. It's just a lot easier. I can get things done a lot faster, and you guys get content faster. But these YouTube videos are really good if you want really long, in-depth reviews on things. But it's really hard to make like a 15-minute long video on one lipstick. So I tend to just make a TikTok out of that, right? Like I'm not gonna make a whole YouTube video to just review one blush. You guys know how long it takes me to make a YouTube video? It's just me by myself doing this, man. I don't have a film crew. You think I have a film crew? I'm talking to no one right now. There's nobody in this room. I look like a psycho. Yeah, so I have tried some of the products on here already. In fact, I tried some of them in a TikTok, which I reposted on Instagram. Stay with me. And then Ariana Grande reposted my reposted TikTok Instagram reel on her Instagram story. Are you still with me? What I'm trying to say is Ariana Grande reposted my video using her products on her Instagram story. Was that more confusing? Ariana Grande posted me on her Instagram story. There we go. So that was crazy. So if you missed that, I'm so sorry. You should have been following me on Instagram. It's not too late though. You can still follow me. Okay, so before I do my brows, I actually want to try the Lash and Brow Boosting Serum. So it comes with like this little applicator. Can you guys see that? The applicator. So I'm just gonna apply to my lash line. Obviously, this isn't gonna have instant results, okay? My eyelashes are not gonna grow on camera. But I just wanted to see like the texture, the consistency. And in the description of the product, it claims, hold on, let me get the exact wording. It claims that it's gonna give you thicker lashes and brows in as little as 4 weeks with full on, those can't be real, in 3 months. If you guys want me to review this lash serum, you're gonna have to wait at least 4 weeks. Will I remember to apply this every day to my lashes for 4 weeks? Maybe. Will I remember to do it for 3 months? Absolutely not. But the texture of it seems nice. It's not irritating my eyes at all. And it has a little bit of like a chemical-y smell, but it's not noticeable unless you like stick your nose like right in the tube like I'm doing right now. And very little serum comes out, but I like that because sometimes with these lash serums, a lot of product comes out and then I try and put it on my lash and it like gets in my eye and then I'm blind out of both of my eyes. And that's pretty annoying, you know? I do like to see sometimes. I just got my brows done. Guys, look, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Oh, it's so pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls. So I'm just gonna fill these in ever so softly. Yeah, little brows looking real good. And I know what you're thinking. Darcey, how long are you gonna keep this fucking concealer on your face? As long as it takes. Okay, just gonna quickly blend this out, and I'm not gonna put powder on for now because we're dealing with cream blushes. Cream blushes and powder, they don't mix. Let's get into these blushes. They're so cute. My friend Sean said that they look like an astronaut's penis, and they do. I'm gonna use the color Audition. I'm gonna do a quick swatch of all three of them, but I do have a full swatch video on TikTok if you guys wanna watch that too. We're gonna use this color. It's called Audition. And it's like a light pink. I know it looks super scary, but do not be afraid. Next we have the color Leading Lady, which is described as a red, but it comes off very orange on me. And then we have the color Broadway Baby. I honestly can't pick a favorite out of these because they're all so beautiful. These are like my three favorite blush colors. These are the blush colors that I use, right? I always have like a berry color in my arsenal, an orange, and a light pink. Those are my three favorite blush colors, and they're all in this collection. So I am geeking out. I'm gassed up. I'm ready to go. So again, I'm using the color Audition, which is the pink shade, because I feel like it's gonna go really well with the rest of the look. So we're just gonna apply, and like it totally looks super scary at first, but you just have to blend it in. And you can blend it in with your fingers, with a beauty blender, with a brush. I think this blush is so cute. It just makes me feel so cute and adorable. Now I'm gonna set everything because I find that when I put powder on and then I try and put on a cream blush, it doesn't work out too well. Okay, next we're gonna do eyes. Now, there's three palettes, like I showed you guys, but I didn't show you what they look like. So first we have this palette. I feel like it's very everyday, basic. You can make a lot of really cute looks with this. You know, pinks, browns, bronzes, very everyday makeup look. This one is called Smitten Kitten. Oh, she's just a smitten kitten. Then we have this one, which is called Groovy Baby. And I kind of see where they were going with this. I do see some retro looking colors in here. That purple is really, really pretty. And then we have my favorite palette, as you can see, because it's already looking kind of run down. But this one is called Go-Go Boots. I love this palette. I love it. I especially love this color, this blue, and this pink shimmery one over here. And this is the palette that we're gonna use today, obviously, because I think it's the most fun, it's the most interesting. First of all, the texture of these palettes, phenomenal. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit, but they're very good. I never actually used the original palettes, but I feel like people had an issue with that formula, but I really like this formula personally. I think they did change the formula up a little bit. These are $35 Canadian, so in American though, it's like what? Like 28, which is pretty expensive since you're only getting 6 eyeshadows. So it's up to you if you think it's worth it or not. I got it for free. So I'm gonna start off with this color, and I'm just gonna start patting it on my lid. Oh, I should zoom in, shouldn't I? Look how pigmented that is. Okay, guys, usually with light colors like this, I would use a white concealer over my eye just to give it a base, because usually when I put on colors like this on my dark eyelids, it doesn't come off as the same color in the pan. This is so pigmented that I don't even have to give my eye a white base. It just shows up. Wow, the pigment's so good it actually shows up on my skin. The bar is in hell. My God. And if you want full pigmentation from something, always pat the color on, don't go back and forth. If you go back and forth, then it's gonna give you more of a sheared out color. And it's a lot easier to press pigment down with a flat brush like this. My brush is flat, it's not a big fluffy brush, it's flat. This is what the color looks like more sheared out. Still really cute. And this one's like, BAM! So it just depends what kind of look you want. Okay, now we're gonna try these babies. So these are the, I guess, liquid eyeshadows, is that what they're called? Metallic gel eyeshadows. They're gel eyeshadows. And they have a really interesting texture. This is the color, Now I don't know what the color is because the sticker came off, but I'm assuming that this is Quality Time. Look at that. Isn't that so weird? A very little bit goes a long way with these. That was like the tiniest, ittiest bittiest amount. That's the color Quality Time. That's very pretty. This is the color Affirmation. You have to use really, really small amounts. Otherwise it'll come out more chunky looking. So they can be a little bit tricky to work with. This last one that we're gonna use on our eye is called Touch. This one for some reason looks chunkier than the other ones. That's what it looks like. Another issue that I had with these gel eyeshadows is that when you try to pick them up with your brush, it's like impossible because it's so thick. It won't stay on the brush. See, my brush doesn't want to pick it up. It doesn't want to be picked up by the brush. And you can use your fingers, but obviously you're not going to get the kind of precision that you would with a brush. That's like hard. Also, they do dry down very quickly, so you have to work with them really quickly. I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I do play in makeup a lot. So if I'm finding this difficult to use, then I feel like the average person is gonna find this difficult to use as well. They're very pretty. It's just the texture of them makes them hard to use, especially this one. Okay, now I'm gonna put on some eyeliner. I'm gonna put on the R.E.M Beauty eyeliner. I actually like this eyeliner. It's pretty good. Then we're gonna put on some lashes. I also just realized that I forgot to use the under eye balm. Let me know if you guys want me to review the under eye balm on TikTok or something. I will still swatch it on my hand though. Okay, so here is the texture of the under eye balm. It almost looks like frozen water. Doesn't really have a smell to it. Put it on my arm. Oh, ho ho! Oh, yes. There's a cooling effect. Oh, that's nice. Damn, I wish I would have tried this. Yes, very lightweight and cushiony texture. For lipstick, I'm going to use the blushes because it's actually a cheek and lipstick. A lot of people don't know this, but I do because I'm smart. I haven't seen a lot of people applying these to their lips, but it is a lipstick. Look at that, that's very pink. Just blend that out. This is an eyeshadow gloss. So you can use it on your lips too, but it is an eyeshadow gloss. Absolutely not putting this gloss on top of that shimmer. This would be good on the eye because it's not sticky at all. And the way that the applicator works, it's very difficult to get the gloss out, which is good if you're putting it on your eyes because you don't want to put too much. So I don't know if they designed it that way, but it works. Okay, we're just gonna put on some finishing touches, a little bit of highlighter, a little bit of contour, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. Last thing we're gonna put on is this spray. It's called MissDarcei Calming Face Mist. That was a real sound. I did not add in a cartoon sound. Very fine mist, yes. What is in this? Lavender. It smells very fresh. Like I just cleaned my house and I've sprayed it with some sort of scent. But it does have lavender and I think chamomile. Lavender and chamomile is in this. Very relaxing. I think it's more of a hydrating mist. It's not really like a setting spray. It's just like a nice hydrating mist to like bring everything together, mix all the powders and creams together, make everything feel very hydrated and fresh. Overall, I do really like this collection. I think my favorite thing from the entire collection is the blushes. I love the blushes, how they look like a little pee-pee. It's so cute. I like the eyeshadow palettes, but I wouldn't use all three of them. I would probably only use the one that I've been using, honestly. And maybe like the more neutral everyday one that I showed you guys. What was that one called? Smitten Kitten. I'll probably eventually start using this one. There's nothing from this collection that I particularly disliked. I just had some criticism about the gel eyeshadows and how they are difficult to work with. But otherwise, I really like chapter 2. I think this is a great collection. This one is a lot more exciting. There's a lot more fun colors to choose from. There's lots of things that the brand could improve on, but as far as this particular collection, I do really like it. So everyone wants to know, is this just another celebrity makeup line or is it actually good? I would put R.E.M Beauty in like the middle of celebrity makeup lines, where like the top of the makeup lines for celebrities would be obviously Fenty and Rare Beauty. I think that both of them, it's not just about the quality of the products, but I think it's about the message and what they stand for. And I feel like R.E.M Beauty doesn't really stand for anything. It's just like Ariana Grande, but it's not to the point where it's like Kylie Cosmetics, where Kylie Cosmetics is literally cosmetics for Kylie. Like, she just made a cosmetic line for herself. Whereas Rihanna made Fenty Beauty for everyone. Selena Gomez made Rare Beauty for everyone, and that's what makes them the top of the top. R.E.M Beauty is kind of in the middle, where it's not like super self-centered, but it's also not marketed as like a brand that's for everybody. It's marketed more as a brand that's for fans of Ariana Grande. And that's something that I think that they could improve on. What does this brand stand for is what I really want to know. Because they don't have that yet, it does come off as kind of just being like, this is Ariana Grande's brand. Buy it because you like Ariana Grande. So that's my only criticism of the brand itself. But this actual collection, I really like. I'm actually going to use this, like, for real. Even the lash serum, I'm probably gonna use it for like a month and then forget about it, but I'm still gonna use it, okay? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this. Let me know if you would buy anything from this brand. I'm gonna leave the links below, obviously. And I will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't caught up on my videos, they're right over here, okay? You can just click one of these. And don't forget that I love you so much. Someone's calling me right now. Hello?
Hello, how are you?
Hi, is this a delivery?
Yeah, I leave your stuff outside behind the door.
Are you in the lobby? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, bye. Wow. I'll see you later, guys.